Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a risk you took that you thought would lead to a terrible result but ended up with a positive result. First question is, how should parents teach their children what a risk is? In my view, parents can teach children about risks by using simple examples they can relate to, like crossing the street carefully to avoid the risk of getting hit by a car, or wearing a helmet when riding a bike to reduce the risk of a head injury. Okay? Another example is not to play with electrical wires, especially if they have no insulation, because they can get an electric shock. Second is, what risk should parents tell their children to avoid? Well, parents should warn children about risks like talking to strangers, playing with fire or sharp objects, and engaging in daredevil stunts that could lead to serious harm. Daredevil stunts like somersault or any of the backflips as well. Using real life examples, kids can understand easily the dangers of these risks and would likely avoid them as well. Okay. Third question is, why do some people like to watch risk taking movies? Well, people enjoy watching risk taking action movies because the high stakes situation and death defying stunts provide an adrenaline rush and a sense of excitement. It excites you. Also, movies like Mission Impossible have an amazing storyline, great background music, which showcase action sequence in a highly entertaining way. Okay, if you have seen movies like Mission Impossible, you get an adrenaline rush. You get excited by how Ethan Hunt, does all the action sequences like driving fast cars or jumping from a mountain, like those sequences. Okay. Fourth question is, what kind of sports are dangerous but exciting? Well, I think that extreme sports like rock climbing, bungee jumping, and motocross racing involve significant physical risks, but as they offer an exhilarating adrenaline rush for thrill seekers willing to take those chances, people love to be a part of it. Okay, people love motocross or rock climbing, sport in terms of excitement. The perceived danger adds to the excitement for some participants as well. Some people love doing dangerous things. Okay, so this adds a kind of a fun element to their life. So this was the follow-ups for describe a risk you took that you thought would lead to a terrible result but ended up with a positive result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button